In this video, we will show you how to track inventory on Shopify. If you guys want to get started with Shopify, you can use the links down in the description. First, navigate to the Shopify admin website on your browser. Once logged in, go to the Products tab on the left side menu. Now click the Add Product button in this section. Next, enter the title, the description, and the media of the product from your device. After entering the picture and title, click the Save button at the top. Head back to the Product tab and select the product you added here. Then scroll down to reach the Inventory section. Here, click the Add button in Variants and connect Meta field from the drop-down list. Once added, choose the color of the selected option. To edit your variant, click on it and edit the details about it. Following that, find the Inventory option in this section. Here, select the Track Quantity option and also make sure to enter the pricing to save changes. You can add the price and quantity of the variant on the previous page. Finally, add the required details and it'll be added to your Shopify account. So that's how to track inventory on Shopify. Make sure to use the links down in the description to get started with Shopify. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I'll see you in the next video.